I am here at UNICO 2087 in Riviera Maya, and this is my, I don't know, third or fourth time being here, and every time I come, I'm so happy to be back because it really is something special and unique. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour here, and I'm in a Alcoba ocean view room. Double beds. I love all the decor. Cute hats, which I've talked about this before, but you can take these hats, so everybody gets a hat, and there is a artisan, a painter downstairs that you drop your hats off on certain days. I don't know, they may do it every day now because it's so popular, but anyway, you drop your hats off and you can have them personalized. So it's a fun special touch that I haven't seen anywhere else, and it's very popular. So I would absolutely recommend get down there first thing in the morning. Otherwise, they will put a sign out that says they are full for the day and cannot take any more requests. And here is a quick view from outside. So there's two side wings, but this is really the main heart of the resort right here. So we're in a U shape, and there's swim outs down here, which are super popular. And there's a few different pools. This one over here is more of a quiet pool, but it's still at the main resort, and obviously you can hear the music. And then closer down by the beach, you can see the floats in the water. This is the main pool where there's a DJ and a swim up bar. And then over that way to my right is another, behind that little alcove there is a really quiet pool with a swim up bar for those that are looking for, you know, just a quieter atmosphere. We have a lot of honeymooners that come here, so that's good if you were looking for something a little quieter. So again, this is UNICO 2087, Riviera Maya, and happy to be back. Tonight I will be dining at a bunch of different restaurants, and it's absolutely unique and special, and definitely does not feel like an all-inclusive. The food is fabulous here.